It's easy to set up your Specialista Prestigio using your quick start guide supplied in the box. First, make sure you remove all the labels and packaging materials. Then, wash and dry the accessories, including the water tank. Insert the bean container, making sure it is locked into place correctly with the lock padlock lining up with the arrow and waiting for the click. Complete the water hardness test to see what level your Prestigio needs to be set to and whether you need to add in the soft balls which come included in your pack. Remove the strip from the packaging and then submerge it into a glass of tap water for a few seconds and then remove, giving a little shake. Leave the test to develop for a minute and then compare the results to the chart shown in your manual. Depending on the hardness level of your water, you may wish to then use soft balls. Now make sure the drip tray is inserted after cleaning and then fill the water tank up to the max line, then switch on your machine. When the Prestigio is turned on for the first time, the T button will light up until the first prime is done. This makes sure the machine is filled with water and is ready to make excellent coffee. Make sure a suitable container is under both the brew head and the hot water tap. Then, press the hot water button to instruct the machine to perform the first rinse. It will automatically turn off once it is complete. Now we press the hot water button again and let the water flow through the system. Next, we're going to rinse the steam circuit. We just need to deliver steam for about 10 seconds before closing the dial. Repeat this action 3 or 4 times. We are now ready to use our Specialista Prestigio.